Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can factory reset OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G by using the recovery mode. So first we need to open the recovery mode, but in order to do that we need to turn off our device, so press the volume up button and the power button together at the same time in order to open the power menu, and then swipe this white circle towards the power off option. Once the device is off, you need to press and hold the power button and volume down button, and you need to keep holding them until you see the OPPO logo, and when you see the logo you want to release the power button but keep holding the volume down button. So let me demonstrate. Press both buttons. Now we can release the power button but keep holding volume down, and eventually after a few seconds you should be able to see the choice of language for the recovery mode. There we go. Now of course we will see some probably Chinese letters, but we can also tap on English in order to have the recovery mode in English, and over here we need to select format data and then continue with this option in order to perform the factory reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.